For the past couple weeks, we've been showing you really cool bits for the impact driver and the cordless drills. If you are a subscriber, you would have known that already. But today's no different. We're going to show you another cool one, and it's from the Teal company, Makita. Now this one here we showed you a couple weeks ago, probably one of my favorite bits. The bit I am going to show you today will work a little bit differently than this. If you haven't checked that one out, I'll put an end card at the end of this video. Let's get it going. So if you use an impact driver, which I'm sure you probably do, that's why you came by this video, I am going to show you this bit from Makita. It is the Impact Gold Ultra Magnetic Torsion Insert Bit Holder. This is probably the second favorite bit compared to the other ones that we have shown on this channel. And the reason for that is the ease of use and the build quality of this accessory. This is what you were always dealing with the screws falling out. They just will not stay on. They drive you up a freaking wall. And what you could do is maybe magnetize the bits, but they don't always work that well. And what a lot of you have been telling me is that when you were trying to get into tighter areas or areas that you were trying to reach on a ladder, this simply does not work. And that is where the Makita bit holder comes in. Now let me show you how this works. It is so simple to use. You have this sleeve right out here on the front, this jacket really, and all you have to do is take it off. Now from there you're going to take your insert bit and you're simply going to insert it into the bit holder right there. Now I have used many different brands of bits. Did not matter which one I use, they all fit very nicely, very snug, and were easy to take out. Today we're using the Torx from Milwaukee. What we're going to do is now we're going to take this and slide it right back over top. Boom! That's it. And now you can see that the bit extends out about 1/4 of an inch, and that is how far down you will be allowed to sink with this. But my friend, this is not the coolest part of the bit. Check this out. Boom! It's magnetic. That's right, you put your screw right there and boom, it literally grabs on and it won't let it go. I will show you how strong this bit holder actually is here in, well, a bit. That was a pun intended.
Pun intended.
But you can see how that magnet grabs on to that screw, doesn't let it go. That's real time. I'm just shaking it back and forth. You know what? Let me try something here. You're getting tired. Your eyes are getting heavy and sleepy. You want to subscribe. You want to subscribe now and hit that bell notification. Alright, let's put this thing to the test. We're going to insert it right into the impact driver itself. Now you can see that it is a little bit bulkier towards the end. Some people said that it makes it a little harder to get into those tight areas, but for me, not an issue for what I do. Now I'm not even going to touch that screw, and you can see it goes down perfectly flush. If I wanted to bring it down even further, I could. I can bring it down to about 1/4 of an inch deep, and then I can pull it right back up, not even needing to touch that screw. That magnet is really powerful. I will show you here in a bit. Now some people also mentioned that they might have issues getting that screw back out with that bit adapter on. No problem, just pull it off. Now you can get down in there, get that screw out if you needed to, and then once you get it out, you just throw that adapter right back on again, and you can go again. And that's what I like about this. Super simple to get on and off, and because that outside jacket is built so well, it will last and last and last. Alright, so now what we are going to do is put the magnet to the test. I'm going to try to pick up a bunch of screws. Then I am actually going to put this in the impact driver with the screw on and just squeeze that trigger. Now of course this will not work on stainless screws. There are other bit attachments out there that you can use for those. This however is not one of them. Now I am going to put this on the impact driver. Check those out though. It picks up 3 screws, very strong. Now I am going to pull the trigger. This is on low, and you can see that screw is not going anywhere. Again, the speed is on low, so we're going to bump it up to medium now. Oh man, that is cool. Pretty well balanced as well. You put that screw right in the middle, you're good to go. Now we're going to bump it up to speed 3. Whoa! Oh Oh man, look at it go. It is going. Alright, maybe don't do it on speed 3. At the end of the day, this thing is awesome. Really powerful, holds on to those screws very, very well. The heavy duty build to this, it will last you forever. And you're only looking around $5 for just the bit adapter itself. If you're looking for the bit holder and the bits, the insert bits from Makita, I'll also put a link in the description for you to check out. Now, me personally, I think Makita did an excellent job on this bit adapter. I want to know what you think though. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you've ever used this before or if you're planning on using it now after you've seen it in this video. I'd like to know if there's any other bits out there that you have used that we have not covered on this channel yet that maybe you think other people would like to see. So leave me a comment in the comment section below telling me which one I should check out. With that, I appreciate everybody stopping by and checking out this video. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any new videos coming your way. Don't forget to smash that like button as it's much appreciated, and come say hi to us on the Instagram page at Tool Review Zone. With that, we'll be back with more videos soon.